So good morning students, welcome back. Today we will discuss the topic circular motion. Okay, so let's start with the definition uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion, whenever an object executes circular motion, whenever an object execute following the circular path, okay, with the constant velocity, its direction will continuously change, but the magnitude of velocity remains constant in a circular path. Such motion is said to be uniform circular motion. Look at students, an object is following the circular path. At each and every point, the direction of velocity continuously changes. Velocity of particle at A point, velocity of particle at B point, at C, and that is the velocity of particle at D point. At each and every point, direction continuously changes, but object executing following the circular path executing uniform circular motion, because the magnitude of velocity remains constant, only the direction changes. With a constant velocity, it following a circular path, such motion of an object is said to be uniform circular motion. There are some basic terms related to uniform circular motion. So let's start with the first term. It's called angular displacement or angle. It is represented by theta. Look at since an object is following the circular path, A is initial point of motion and B is final, and this is arc. The arc traveled by the object represented by delta S, and the radius r. O is the center. So what is the definition of angular displacement? It is the angle swept by. It is an angle swept by radius vector in a fixed interval of time. In a simple words, we can say the change in position of an object while executing circular motion with respect to center is called angle, having formula arc by radius. Arc is this distance is r, represented by delta s, and radius is r. So that is the formula. And generally angle will measure in radian, either in degree. The next term is angular velocity, that is represented by the sign omega. The name is, this symbol is omega. What is angular velocity? The rate of change in angular displacement is said to be angular velocity, having formula omega equals to delta theta by t and unit radian per second. Okay, next term is angular acceleration, represented by that sign alpha. The rate of change in angular velocity is said to be angular acceleration, having formula alpha equals to omega by t. Omega is angular velocity and t is time, and having the unit radian per second square. These are the basic terms: angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration of uniform circular motion. Okay students?